Hello, today I'll be making white bean chicken chili. If you're new to our channel and you'd like to see more of our videos, please like and subscribe. In a pot, add your olive oil, onions, celery, peppers, seasoning, and stir well. After your vegetables have softened a little, add some more olive oil to your pan and then add in your chicken. After your chicken is partially cooked, add carrots and a large jar of salsa. I recently made pico de gallo and decided to use that instead. If you'd like my recipe for pico de gallo, click the link in the top left corner. Now add in your tomato sauce, beans, and chicken broth. Add your corn to your chili and then turn your chili on medium to get it to a slow boil. After about 2 hours, your chili is thick enough and ready to serve. If you have a chili recipe you'd like to share with me, please do so in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this recipe and would like to see more of our videos, please click like and subscribe to get notifications of upcoming videos.